Welcome back. Get ready to hear the sizzle, smell the buttery crisp, and taste the melty gooey perfection. We are making the ultimate cast iron grilled cheese, of course, with the cast iron chef himself, Attilio Marini. Happy to have you here, chef. It smells amazing.
It's always a pleasure to be here.
So we're making a grilled cheese with Italian bread.
Yes, and cast iron.
And cast iron, of course.
And if you want to watch more of this, it's on the Red Coral Universe with the cast iron chef cooking series.
You have a whole season out.
Right, so this is a whole episode. It's under the family picnic, filmed here in Marlborough, Connecticut, outdoorsy. And the family's
That's why you're so good when you come on the show. You're a TV pro.
So, you know, I can only show you so much here, but if you want to watch the full...
QR code on the screen.
Yeah, the QR code's over there. You can just screen it and check it out. We have 9 episodes there of all these great cooking things. I also filmed here at the Quinnipiac River Marina.
Oh.
We filmed over there also, so I want to thank Goni for letting us use this spot.
But, I can't wait to check it out.
So let's get back to cooking now.
Let's get back to cooking.
So we have, this is a homemade Italian bread.
Looks good.
That we make at the restaurant. This is a 00 flour, all from Italy. So it's very good on your stomach.
Yes.
For people that are a little gluten sensitive.
Sure.
So we have a fresh mozzarella loaf. This is like a fontina. We have cheddar and American.
Wow.
So you could put anything in this, in the grilled cheese.
Okay.
This is about showing you how to build the crust.
Because
so
that's
what
really
you have inside,
the magic.
Right. So what would you like to put in this now?
Okay, tell me again what we have.
There's fresh mozzarella, fontina, cheddar, and American.
Oh, I don't know. Can you blend a few together?
You can do anything you want. This is yours.
Oh my gosh. Cheddar. I like cheddar.
Cheddar. Okay, so let's put some cheddar in here.
What would go good with cheddar?
Well, you got the mozzarella, you got this fontina, you got everything.
Let's do fontina.
Fontina,
I don't know. I mean, I love all cheese.
All right, so let's just
put them all in.
Let's just mix it up a little bit here, okay?
I'm like, I sure hope they all go together and I'm not making some mistake right now.
If it doesn't, we'll make another one. So
I'm sure it's going to be amazing.
So we got the pan on, you know, it's not super hot. We're not looking to fry this, okay? So we have a little bit of butter here. And butter's important because that's what makes everything taste better.
Yes.
Okay? So what we'll do is with this, we're going to let this simmer down like this. And then we're going to put a little bit of a weight.
Ooh, okay.
Not super heavy, but just enough to, you know, to get that nice contact with the cast iron pan. And this one here, as you can just see how we built this crust.
Yeah, it's a beautiful crust.
You know, grilled cheese is not something that it's not that fast. It takes a little time because if you cook it a little bit too high, you're just going to burn it.
Okay, you have to be a little patient with grilled cheese.
So the cast iron works great because once that pan gets hot, it'll radiate the heat slowly into the bread. So you don't have to worry about it like having, so you don't want like aluminum pans or anything where the heat transfers too fast.
Yeah.
And you have a chance of burning it.
And then it just gets the bread and not the cheese, right?
Yes. So we were able to melt this all in here. I never used the oven. Everything was made here.
So good.
Okay. So we're just going to take a look at this, but you'll see already we have a little, see, it's starting to build up slowly. I'm going to take all this butter and...
The butter is what gives it that nice golden color,
yes.
right?
I know some people like to use mayonnaise, but mayonnaise has eggs in it. This is, I think there's no substitute for butter.
I agree with you. I've actually never heard of the mayonnaise, people using that.
Yeah, some people use mayonnaise on the outside. So with this, I also brought a nice homemade fig jam.
Oh, delicious.
I took dried figs and I cooked it with a little bit of white balsamic vinegar.
Looks good.
A little bit of water. I have some fresh apples. So, you know, cheese, apples. But you have melted cheese bread. It all goes together.
Works for me.
It's something that we know we could cut, you know, and just serve it. You know, you have, you know, a little tea party.
I hear
you hear that crunch
of the crust. Wow. That
you get to see what we have
Now, what'd you
here.
put in this one? Mozzarella?
So this is, I just used the fresh mozzarella.
Oh, delicious.
You know?
Yeah, mine is the party grilled cheese. It's got every cheese in there.
You got everything. So you would just take this.
Oh, that looks so good.
And you add a little bit of the fig jam if you're into fig jam.
This is gourmet. Thank you so much.
Oh,
How did
welcome.
you know I was starving? Ooh.
It's early in the morning.
Oh, wow. I love fig jam. I forgot about that.
Yeah. So it goes great. So let's see what we have here now. So now when I turn this over, I'm going to add a little bit more because it's not on this side.
I love that it's crunchy, but you still got the gooey.
Right. Look at that. See how beautiful that is?
Wow, that is gorgeous.
So we'll do that again. We'll turn it over a little bit more, but we're just trying to get even cooking, nice and slow.
Oh, and Chef, let's not forget you're the king of cast iron in general. We're looking at pictures of your steak.
Yes, so cast iron's the way to make the best grilled cheese.
I love it. You can do anything in a cast iron skillet.
Absolutely.
I am loving this. And again, so the Red Coral TV.
Red Coral Universe.
Red Coral Universe.
Is a streaming service. The guy who actually found me lives here in New Haven. And I want to say thank you for him for finding me at the restaurant. And we started talking. I said, oh, I just finished producing the show. He goes, well, put it on my platform. So here we are.
I love it. You were made for the big screen, Chef. And thank you. This is absolutely delicious. I hope I know Joe's going to come on over.
If he gives me a good report, he's going to get to eat something.
Okay, Joe, what do we got?
I'm coming over.
All right, Joe, we're waiting for you.
You're amazing. You are absolutely amazing. All the food is unbelievable. All right, the weather. Look at this. It is just scrumptious indeed, with the temperature up in the 50s this afternoon. 60 on Friday, or in the 60s, and great weather for the weekend too.
You had a piece of apple and a piece of hard cheese.
We're talking all about the grilled cheese.
About food.
I'm trying to make this at home. It is so good. Chef, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Have a great day, everyone.
Thanks,
I hope you
Joe.
get a grilled cheese.